For some weird reason, you guys, I was surprised when I learned from the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu that Mpumelelo hasn't done a thing, he hasn't done nothing by Vuyokazi's family or by her house in regards to her or either, never mind her, the two kids that he has with her. I don't know why I was surprised by that this guy hasn't taken out a cent for these two kids that he has with Uvuyokazi. But the reason why I'm saying I don't even know why I'm surprised is because, like, what advances has Mpumelelo ever made to show that he's serious about these ladies? I don't know. I don't know because, like, I can't even speak about introducing to family because introducing to family really means nothing, you guys. But I'm even thinking to back to remember when he met up with Utirelo, you guys. He had to meet up with Utirelo on the streets. And when Utirelo basically asked him, like, why ungangenanga, like, why didn't you come to my house? Because you know where my house is. He said basically he's been respectful, which I agreed with him, but he's been respectful because he cannot enter someone else's yard when he has not done the right things in their family. He doesn't have basically a leg to stand on. And I'm thinking, you guys, this is the same guy that says he wants to take a first wife who's a virgin and marry her first. Never mind that. I remember when he was calling his uncles or his family the men, and he was basically saying that he wants these these men to go and take out lobola, or to go and take out lobola, except he wants them to stop at 3 households, meaning that he wanted to lobola all these 3 women all at once. And maybe he was trying to avoid, like, not like one not feeling like they are more important or less important than the other one. But I'm just like, nah, man, this boy is playing with us. This boy is playing with us. There's no way you are going to be able to pay ilobola for 3 women at once. Never mind, let's just leave that 3 women at once because that's a very far-fetched thing. A very far-fetched thing. If his father could not do that, remember with his father had to pay, had to wait a while before he paid or did the right things towards the next wife because these things are costly. Never mind costly, guys. Like even paying lobola for 3 women all in one day, like it doesn't make sense. They cost you guys. Or maybe if you're just going to do introduction or just going to tell the family of your intentions, I mean, that's a different thing. But paying lobola for 3 different women, mind you, the first one's a virgin, that's very expensive. So never mind that. Let's rule that out because it's a far-fetched thing. Let's just say he wants to pay ilobola for unosipho alone first. How is he going to do that when he has not even paid damages or paid his dues to Utirelo, to Uvuyokazi's family for the 2 kids and Utirelo's family for her son? And then he still wants to say that he wants to start off this whole Zesthembu cycle by paying damages towards Unompumelelo's family. How is he going to do that when? How is he going to pay damages for Unompumelelo? Unompumelelo doesn't even have a kid with him. Unompumelelo is no longer even with him. How is he then going to pay damages for Unompumelelo, a woman that's no longer in his life, whereas the women who are in his life, he can't do right by them? Nah, guys, this boy is playing us, and at this point, I'm just like, nah. It's all content. It's all content, and it's content, and perhaps he wants us to have a certain perception of him because I'm just like, it's not balancing and it's not making sense. And I'm just like, nah, guys, like, no, there's no way, like. I don't know what's going on with Mpumelelo, you guys. I really don't know what's going on with Mpumelelo and like his finances. I don't want to talk about people's finances like that, but I'm just like, you are selling these ladies a dream that's basically non-existent. I watched actually a clip on Instagram between him and Ulwandle Bahani TV, and they were interviewing them, and they asked, um yeah, they asked who lies between the two of you the most. And then Mpumelelo, Lwandle basically said it's Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo's like, yes, it's me. Obviously, you have to lie to, when you are in a situation. But there's something else that he said. I'm not so sure if he was answering the same question or another question, but he basically said, oh, yes, I think he was answering the question of which one do you prefer, marriage or dating? And he said marriage. And he said, I prefer marriage because in dating, you lie. You have to lie to a person and convince them of something that's pretty much not existent. And I'm just like, you know what? That exactly there, you are not lying about it because even in this whole dating situation you are doing with these girls, you are lying to them about stuff that are pretty much not non existent. And we've been saying, all of us have been saying that we feel sorry for Unosipo so much. At this point, I wish I was Nosipo's legs. I wish I could carry her out of that situation because I don't know. At this point, I really want Mpumelelo to disappoint me and surprise me by paying ilobolo for Unosipo. I want to see that because if he really does do that for her without paying damages for these other ladies, I'm gonna say then that means that there's truly something special about her. I don't know, you guys. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.